In this video, I'm going to show you the experiment of light sensor test with laser light. For this, let's use the light sensor and buzzer. From the previous experiment, we know that buzzer module won't work without the transistor if we use light sensor. But let's test with the laser light and its effect on light sensor. Let's connect the positive of light sensor to the positive of battery and third pin of light sensor, that is negative, to the negative of battery. The center pin, that is signal pin of light sensor, to the positive of buzzer. From negative of buzzer to the negative of power supply. Now, as light is falling on the light sensor, even it is not giving a signal to buzzer, because buzzer required very high signal value. Now let's use a laser light, a toy laser light which we use for playing. Let's focus the laser light on the light sensor. You can see that whenever laser light falls on the light sensor, buzzer is giving a high sound. So, laser light is actually concentrated light so that it can affect the light sensor and it will give a high sensing value to the buzzer. That's how we can turn on the buzzer even without transistor by using laser light.